Hello everyone, myself Rahul Mishra and welcome to the Entries official YouTube channel. Student, in this video we are going to discuss whether the IBPS Clerk 2020 recruitment pre-exam training will be held in this year or not. Okay, so this video is a informative video, so do see it carefully because it will give you the relevant information regarding the pre-exam training. Okay, so let's start the video. Students, as we all know that IBPS has released the notification of Clerk 2020 recently. Okay, and in every year the pre-exam training is conducted by IBPS before the pre-examinations. Okay, so in this year there are chances that it may not be conducted. Okay, so what is pre-exam training? The IBPS gives training to the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minority communities, ex-servicemen, and persons with benchmark disabilities categories before the pre-exam in order to acquaint these candidates with the exam procedure. Okay, candidate who wish to avail this training facility can mention it in the application form. So after reading this, you may be able to know that the pre-exam training will be given to all those candidates who are belonging to these categories, and it is conducted before pre-exams. Okay, and why it is conducted? Because it will give an insight to students who are taking this training the actual user interface of the exam, and they will get to know how to attempt the actual exam. Okay, however, this year the pre-exam training may not be held. It is not sure, but there are high chances that this pre-exam training will not be held. Why? As we all know that due to COVID-19 pandemic, for the safety of the candidates, PET during this period may not be held. The IBPS has already notified in the notification. Okay, because of COVID-19, there are high chances that it may not be held. Now, under conducive situation, IBPS may conduct the training from 23rd November to 28th November, and admit cards for the pre-exam training will be released on November 17. Okay. Now, IBPS has released the Clerk 2020 recruitment notification, and this year a total 1557 vacancies will be filled in 11 nationalized banks. So total participating organizations we have 11, and total vacancies in this year are 1557. Now registration for the IBPS clerk exam has already begun. Candidate can fill and submit the form available on the website of IBPS till 23rd September. Student, 23rd September is last date, so do fill the form before the last date, because at the end date there are high chances that server gets crashed because of high traffic. So that is why you should fill the form before the last date. Okay. Selection to the clerk post will be through pre-exam and mains exam. The pre-exam will be held on December 5, 12 and 13. Candidates who qualify the pre-exam will be eligible to appear for the main exam, which is scheduled on January 24. Okay. In IBPS clerk there is no interview. On the basis of your mains exam, the allotment of bank will be done. So thank you very much. I hope you will find this video useful. Okay. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay student, for practice these type of question, you need to download our entry app. The link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our entry app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do? You have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay. You can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay. Then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay. Let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay. In model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay. You can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay. Let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay. After clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay. After attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay. After this, you will see this analytic window. Okay. This is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes which is available only on the Entry app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. And student, you are getting another benefit also by downloading our app, that is you can attempt free daily quizzes and you can attempt live IBPS RRB rank booster quizzes as well. And daily live quiz is available at 10 a.m. on our app, and you will get daily 15 questions and time will be allotted to you, that is 15 minutes. So must download our app to boost your scores. Okay student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, if you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entry. Okay, see you in the next video student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.